I do have one recommendation on the video. You should name it Jonah's Silver Bullet. The drill's inside. Should I get the drilling thing?
I never used to. I don't need power tools.
Here, let me get in. I bet you this is a 10.
Get in. What? For what?
For these.
I don't think we have to take that off.
Yeah, right?
That's the valve cover. I don't think we have to take the valve cover off. I think it's all right in here. It's just in here.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It clips. I think it clips.
It does?
Yeah. It clips back here. I think it does.
So this is your fuel rail. That's where the fuel goes. Wow, it's hot. Goes into the. Wait, is it hot? I think it's just. I'm a pussy. These right here are your fuel injectors. And they just inject the fuel. I think I'm just a pussy. So Jonah, what have we done so far?
Done a lot of shit, bro. We took off the fucking manifold. That's a big thing.
The first one.
The first one, yeah. And we also took off the fuel rail and air filter. That was sick. That was fun. I don't know what you call it though.
It's a strut brace.
Strut brace?
So your struts are the big springs. They're like coilovers. That's what they call them.
Okay.
They're struts, and it's a brace that goes in between both of them. So now what do we have to do?
We have to take off this fuel rail and then take off the second manifold that was under the first one. And then we gotta get to our lovely little O2, or what is it, knock sensors.
Dude, you know how much you've learned in a single night?
No, for real. I have learned so much tonight. No clap, dude.
No
I
clap.
actually learned some shit
From
like
Awesome Guy or whatever. 444. Whatever his name is.
awesome socks.
So what happened, Jonah?
Don't make me repeat it.
Okay.
No,
I can repeat it.
I snapped the.
No. From when the last time they saw.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Well, we got the second part of the exhaust manifold. Or intake manifold. It's late.
Yeah, it
we
is.
had to get these plugs off. And then, well, they recommended that you take and drain your coolant. But I decided, no, we're big men. So instead, I take off the intake manifold, the second part, and it exploded coolant everywhere. But we did get the knock sensor in bank 2, and then it's so brittle it snapped twice. So who knows? Who knows how long it'll be before I get that? But yeah, hopefully tomorrow. And also these, well, you probably can't see them, but the gaskets are so worn. Oh my God, that is so bad.
Well, let's see. What time is it right now?
5 in the morning, I believe.
Damn.
5:06, and we started at midnight flat.
So it took 5 hours to get us halfway. Get 2 intake manifolds off, 2 fuel rails.
Well, yeah, but the hardest
Breaking 1 PCV valve.
Yeah, that thing was total. But the thing was, it was just finding out how to get the first one off.
Yeah.
The second one came off in, I think we got that off in under 30 minutes.
Yeah, definitely. This is a crazy engine. Imagine a V8. Ugh, Jesus.
Isn't it the same thing?
Just less room.
Yeah. And this already had no room.
Yeah.
Oh my God, I'm being blinded. You want me to name the stores?
Yes.
We went to O'Reilly's. Put these suckers in. Very nice. Good job, Evan.
What?
Good job, Evan.
That was you, bro.
You did it. Oh, that's these.
It's the 2. The 2 that I was like,
Oh. Oh, nice. And then we find out, kind of smells like gasoline. Yeah, delicious gas leaking from the fuel injector.
Yeah.